Point number two, if your problem statement is actually having something related to social welfare or social justice or something that is related to NGO sort of thing, you have to make sure that the solution that you're giving should have an app based approach. For example, if someone is asking in the problem statement to develop a solution that can help disabled people to get something that is for XYZ reasons for disabled people, then your approach must be in a way that a physically disabled person can actually use your solution to solve their problems, right? So if the solution is written, most of the teams, like in the past I've seen, whenever the word solution comes in, everyone is thinking about the web applications. Guys, hardly this hardly matters, because a disabled person can be either a dumb, deaf, a physically able who is not having a proper like a mental ability or something. So you cannot define that limits, right? But it is for the special privilege, like the special handicapped people. So for that, what you have to do is you have to make sure that your application should be social centric. It should give a model like how you are actually solving that particular problem. Don't limit yourself in in and around only the technicality of the project, right? Because the person who has submitted the problem statement is actually from the background or the domain that is related to the social justice. So whatever you are making should be a relatable thing and should have a nucleus of social justice and social empowerment in the middle. Somehow, if you are making something in the student innovation category as well, but it's having some community centric methods involved, make sure you focus less on the technicality, but the model should be explainable and should be adoptable by the problem statement creator. Otherwise, in the end, what will happen, you will be keep on representing the presentation or the product, but if that nucleus of the community centric dilemma is out, you are out. So make sure this is a very sensitive issue. This is a very sensitive problem statements that most of the times it gets neglected in the hackathons, because most of the teams actually take the most of the technical problem statements. But these problem statements are having very less number of teams, and it can be easily solvable if you are having community centric approach. So make sure if you're choosing a problem statement, and if you've already chosen a problem statement for this particular category of community centric thing and social justice thing, then you have to make sure that you have to express your model in a nice way along with the technical demo that you are showing. Don't just incline towards the technicality. Keep a 50-50 ratio, and I'm sure you will be able. Thank you.